Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shalini Garg. I am a cardiologist at Jaipur. He is my son Master Tanmay Gupta. He is 14 years of age. On 29th of December 2020, he developed sudden fever followed by paraparesis in both his lower limbs. We were very much shocked because the paraparesis was sudden. There was no episode of fever prior to this episode, and we took him to the emergency. He had urinary retention also along with fecal retention. So we admit him at a hospital in Jaipur. I will not mention the name of that hospital. He was given a prompt treatment there, and MRI was done. So then he was diagnosed as acute disseminated encephalomyelitis. There was no prior episode of viral illness, but because in August 2020 he had corona, antigen positive, so corona antibody titer was done. It was positive and around 70. His CSF examination was done, which confirmed him to be MOG positive ADEM. The paraparesis was so sudden that IV steroids were started, and he was given IV immunoglobulins also, but he didn't respond. Even he couldn't flicker his toe after IVIG, 5 days of IVIG and steroids, 5 days of cold steroids. Then we took him to Apollo, Delhi. In Apollo, Delhi, he underwent 7 episodes of plasmapheresis. There also MRI was done, and the extent of inflammation of spine was quite very large. Whole of the spine was involved, excluding craniovertebral junction, which was because of God's grace only. Otherwise, he would have been put on ventilator also because of respiratory compromise. So there, after plasmapheresis also no response was there. Then we were so much helpless, we didn't know what to do. They told us that they will start IV rituximab only after 15 days, and till 15 days he had to undergo physiotherapy. So we decided to took him back to Jaipur, and meanwhile my sister who was living in Bharatpur, and my paternal home was also in Bharatpur, she called me and she told me that I can have an option of physiotherapy in Bharatpur also. I was a little shocked because Bharatpur is a small city, so I couldn't even think of it. But I decided that first, before transferring my son Tanmay Gupta from the ambulance, I will have a look at the physiotherapy center. Then we came on 19th of January to Bharatpur, and then we called Dr. Manoj, who is head of Gauri Physiotherapy Center. He examined Tanmay in ambulance because Tanmay was not able to sit also. So it was very difficult to transfer him from ambulance to the physiotherapy center. So he examined him in ambulance only. And at that time, instead of paraparesis, he had quadriparesis. The paralysis has progressed to quadriparesis. So the weakness was in all his 4 extremities. So we were very much scared, and Tanmay was also having panic attacks frequently because his age 14 years is neither in the adult group nor in the childhood group. So we were so much very depressed. Dr. Manoj convinced us, he convinced my husband that he had treated previously also such patients, and he will completely cure Tanmay Gupta. So we planned that we will see some days about his progress in here only, in Bharatpur only. So we took him to my paternal house, and then Dr. Manoj planned 3 physiotherapy sessions at home only till the time he can sit independently, so that we can transfer him to the Gauri Physiotherapy Center. So for 7 days, Dr. Vivek, Dr. Vishwendra and Dr. Gaurav took his physiotherapy sessions at home only, 3 sessions per day. We were, I can't even believe that I couldn't even think of it that he would be able to sit with support, because spine inflammation was quite extreme, and he was crying with pain when we tried to even lift him to sit. So because no sensations were also there, only slowly the pain sensations returned. So wherever we touch Tanmay, he told us that he was having pain and he couldn't bear that pain, and the condition was quite helpless. But as they promised, within 7 days he was able to sit, and we transferred him to the physiotherapy hospital so that we can took in-house physiotherapy sessions. So after transferring him to physiotherapy center, he was given 3 sessions per day regularly, and under the supervision of Dr. Manoj, and Dr. Vivek does a very fantastic job. And now around after 2.5 months he was able to stand and walk without support, and that was miracle for us because our condition was so pathetic. He was our only child, and we couldn't think of it कि we don't even he was previously swimming 2 hours a day. He was so fond of swimming. He previously used to swim 2 hours a day, and now his condition was that he was not able to sit, stand, and so that's why. But the physiotherapy center was too good. In case of Tanmay Gupta, Dr. Manoj has done such a miraculous job, and he promised us that he will completely cure. Still a mile is there to go, but we are very much पूरा विश्वास है हमें कि तन्मय बिल्कुल ठीक होकर जाएगा यहाँ से.